Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy S&P 500 index fund in Webull. The S&P 500 index tracks 500 of the largest companies in the United States. Buying an S&P 500 fund later invests in a diversified group of companies across multiple sectors, giving you exposure to major corporations like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and more, without buying each stock individually. To invest in S&P 500 on Webull, you will typically need to buy an ETF, which is Exchange Traded Fund. This tracks the S&P 500 index. Popular S&P 500 ETF include SPY, VOO, and IVV. These ETFs are slightly different, but each one offers the same basic exposure to the S&P 500. Open the Webull application. Now go to the Markets tab and on the search bar type in VOO. You can also type SPY or IVV. Once you find the ETF, click on it to view more details. You will be able to see the current price, past performance, and other information to help you make a decision. Before buying, review the ETF's details. Look at the things like expense ratio, historical performance, and dividend yields. Once you are ready to buy, click on Trade. You will have different order types to choose from, such as market order and limit order. After selecting your order type, specify the number of shares or dollar amount you want to invest. Confirm the order details and then hit Buy. After buying, you can monitor your ETF by going to your portfolio. Check its performance over time to see how your investment grows. Remember, S&P 500 funds are typically used for long-term investment, so it's best to keep them for years to benefit from market growth. And that's how you buy an S&P 500 index fund on Webull. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to invest broadly in the United States stock market with minimal effort. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.